What is going on, aquatic family? Eric here with Aquascape Gods. So today we're gonna unbox this, and it'll be a lot cooler when it's not in the box anymore. So I know what you're thinking, right? Like, why did we unbox 2-hour Aquarist APT Complete, right? Because we did it a few weeks ago. We're trying it on our Dragon Stone tank. Well,
like, you really like it, you want more.
It did a really good job. So me and Ryan are dosing it in the new Seiryu stone tank with the driftwood, and we're also dosing it in Ryan's big UNS tank with all the hair grass. And we kind of wanted to talk a little bit more about this because it's easy, it's inexpensive, and well, we've been really enjoying it. So while I talk a little bit, I'm gonna also do some maintenance, but before we get started, I just wanna remind everybody to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this YouTube video, and comment and let us know if you have ever used this before and what you think about it. All right, so we're in the fish room now. I just wanna give you guys an idea of what they both look like before I even touch them, because they're not looking great at the moment. All right, there's not much more to talk about. Let's just dive into it. So the APT Complete by 2-hour Aquarist. That is a macro, micro, and trace element formula fertilizer for your planted aquarium. And I'm sure that you can assume at this point that we have used several other fertilizers. This one was by far the easiest. We didn't just like it because it was easy, we liked it because it was effective. If you look at our progress pictures of the two tanks as they went through the last, the Seiryu Stone was about 2 weeks ago, and the Dragon Stone at this point was about a month ago. They both had tremendous amounts of growth, and you'll see that above me while I do maintenance. They look absolutely fantastic. So besides the fact that this fertilizer is an all-in-one, it's super easy to dose, it's also every other day dosing, it's super easy. They give very easy instructions, and the growth is there after you do it. So it's legitimate, it's happening. We have used it in these tanks for the last month, or not even a month for some of them. You will notice that they talk about how it helps keep your tanks algae free. This is true because of the ingredients that are inside of it. You won't see that in our case though. Both of the tanks in our fish room are very close to a window that doesn't have a shade on it. So they get a lot of sun on top of the light that they get from the Finex Aquarium's light that's on top of it. I should also mention that we do need to increase the filtration, and I definitely need to increase the frequency at which I do the water changes on both of these aquascapes in order for it to remain algae free. While we're in here, I just wanted to show you how close they are to the window so you can see the algae difference between the two tanks. The Dragon Stone tank, which is very close to the window, has a bigger algae problem than the tank that is further away from the window, but they still have their fair share of algae. A lot of that could be with cycling, in the Seiryu stone tank that is, and a lot of it has to do with the sun, on top of the light cycle period that we have that goes on at nighttime because we like to enjoy our tanks, so the lights go on at night when we get home from work. I really can't recommend this stuff enough. I mean, it has everything that it needs. It's in a little white bottle. Use the cap to do the dosing. It really couldn't get any easier. I'm gonna give you guys some close-up shots of the label so you can see how that works. I'm also going to show you how I dose so you can see just how easy it really is. Interested in trying APT Complete by 2 Hour Aquarist for yourself, just tap that link in the description below so you can give it a whirl yourself. That's pretty much it for today's video, just a little maintenance, talking to you guys a little bit more about the fertilizer, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It helps us tremendously and helps us keep knowing that you want us to make content for you. And until the next time, my name is Eric from Aquascape Gods. Have a good day.